March 5th, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. This video is dedicated to Loki, my blue heeler. What's this so tall for my dog? Hi, Julius. Since I was about 24, I wanted a blue heeler. And then I couldn't have one because I worked as a sailor. And then that area of work died out. So I became a truck driver. And I always thought blue heelers are wonderful truck driving dogs. And through the years, I've seen many owner-operators with them. And I fell in love with them. It took me 25 years before I got a blue heeler. Got him when I was 47, 57 now. Loki's 9, going on 10 next December. Turned out to be the best dog I ever had. When he was 3 years old, he got algae poisoning in Lake Winnipeg in early March. We were swimming back then. And cost me thousands and thousands of dollars to keep him alive. And the doctor said he would probably have a short life, but he's still here. Hey Loki, what a dog. Hey Loki. Hey, look at this. You forgot one. Oh, he's eating the eyes. There it is. Yeah. He corrals the dogs and cats in the house. We have a bird. He makes sure the cats don't go near the bird. He's a good dog. With a deep A. We had a big dump the other day. Then he started losing weight this winter.